Here we are in Fritton Woods on a nice sunny crisp day. Join us on our walk. I think you agree it's a beautiful walk as well. We're in Fritton Woods today with Charlie, Pip and my beautiful wife, Kerry. Not a cloud in the sky and the sun's coming through the trees. What a belter. Our lab is about 14, she's very slow, so we had a really slow walk round. She's showing her age, bless her. Still beautiful. Charlie. Go on, Pip. Hello, good girl. This is a working forest, so they do harvest timber out of here. There's my beautiful wife, enjoying the sunshine. Beautiful. Come on, Charlie, a little bit further. Follow Pip.